Hey YouTube, so I'm going to do a quick show and tell of the Mobile Fidelity Sound Lab's Blonde on Blonde Bob Dylan album. This is the box set. So they did 45 RPM. If you're not familiar with the Mobile Fidelity line, basically what they do is they take the original master recording, hence the label at the top here. If they can get the original analog recording, and they will basically reissue it, remix it, and in most cases they do a fantastic job. They sound very, very good. They're usually very limited pressings, so they can come and go rather quickly. Seen a lot of artists go through the Mobile Fidelity, but it's a top of the line. You're gonna pay a little bit more money for these, but these are, I mean, top of the line, high quality releases. You can see here, these master sleeves are very popular in the vinyl world for the audiophiles and the collectors. So you get these nice inner sleeves. And they do just an amazing job. I'd go so far as to even say that in most cases the pressings sound, if not as good as the top pressing or original pressing, but in a lot of cases better. I'll go ahead and come back to the booklet here. So it's not consistent in the sense that every pressing that you get from Mobile Fidelity is going to be like a top pressing, but it's going to be really, really, really good if it's not the best you've ever heard. And that's saying something. It's just a nice, their reputation's fantastic. Again, they do it the right way. They do a great job. If you go back on my archives, you'll see a handful of different Mobile Fidelities releases that I've either unboxed or just done the show and tell on. Miles Davis Kind of Blue had a box set just like this one. Weezer, I believe I did Weezer's Blue album. Pixies, Surfer Rosa. And then you always get a nice inner sleeve. They're very high quality. Everything's very high quality within the box. If you just get a standard LP, the outer sleeve is always very, very high quality. I can't say enough about it. Quick look at that. And typically when they get, Mobile Fidelity gets an artist like Bob Dylan, Miles Davis, they cover the whole discography. So they'll go in and start releasing everything from that artist. And that's been the case with Bob Dylan. They did just about everything. So there you go. Bob Dylan Blonde on Blonde, a fantastic classic rock album. This is pressed on 3 45 RPM LPs. And another amazing release by Mobile Fidelity. I will post, I believe this is out of print. I don't think that you can get this release straight with the Mobile Fidelity website, but if it's in there, I'll post a link to it. If not, I'll just post a link directly to Mobile Fidelity just so y'all can check out whatever else they have. And that's going to do it for today. Appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of the day.